Do you want to know how you can log into your Vista Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Vista Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Vista Payroll Login and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Vista Payroll software. Now, you must write down your corporate ID in the first box. After you have written it down, make sure that it is associated with your Vista Payroll account and go to the second box and write down your password. After you've written down your password, click on this link and check your password once and write down the code which is over here. After you've written down the code which is over here, go ahead and click login and then you can successfully log into your Vista Payroll account. If you are confused about the CAPTCHA, go ahead and click rephrase and it will be rephrased for unlimited time until you are sure that this is the thing you have written. So guys, this is how you log into your Vista Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.